Hello and welcome back to Scorpio Tech. In this video we're going to be taking a look at a mystery box that I received from the reputable charging company Anker. As we can see from the absolutely gorgeous packaging, this mystery box contains fast charging essentials for the new iPhone. With the brand new iPhone 12s not including a charger at all, and Apple's existing chargers only outputting 5 watts, it will be interesting to see how Anker can speed things up for us. So let's take a look at what we've got inside the box. First out is some paperwork showing some of the devices that we can fast charge, such as iPads, AirPods, Apple Watches and even the MacBook Air. In addition to this, we can see that also included is Anker's Nano Charger, which boasts an incredible 3 times the charging speed compared with Apple's own 5-watt chargers. So after 30 minutes that means you would get 53% charge instead of the 17% with the conventional charger. Also included is some contact information with Anker should you need it, and also user manuals for both included components, which as we can see here are the PowerPort 3 Nano wall charger and the PowerPort 3 2-port 60-watt charger, which we'll take a look at shortly. Just got to quickly drop in here and say just how incredible the packaging is for the wall chargers. You can tell straight away that Anker not only cares about the quality of their products, but also the experience that the customers will get when receiving them. Displayed at the top of the box we have the smaller but incredibly powerful 20-watt Nano Charger featuring a USB Type-C connection, allowing you to charge not only Apple devices but many others as well. This full list can be found via the Amazon link in the description. Below that we have the larger 2-port wall charger with a combined 60-watt output, allowing you to charge 2 laptops at the same time. As well as this, if you purchase that product, you also get the US, UK and EU adapters, making this a necessity for the travellers amongst us. Also in this mystery box we received 2 different cables, including a beautiful braided 6-foot USB Type-C to Lightning cable capable of high-speed charging and transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second. As well as this we had a 6-foot USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, also capable of high-speed charging on any of your USB Type-C devices. So now let's take a closer look at the small but very mighty Anker Nano Charger. As mentioned previously, this little thing can charge your device up to 3 times faster than with a conventional 5-watt charger, all thanks to it being equipped with a USB Type-C power delivery port and having 20 watts of power at its disposal to charge your devices in no time at all. As well as this, the Anker Nano Charger is incredibly small and versatile, with a 1-inch thick frame and compact design, allowing you to charge anywhere and everywhere, hassle-free and quicker than ever before. Taking a quick look at the 60-watt 2-port USB wall charger, we can see that this device means business. It not only looks great, but as mentioned previously, it is capable of charging 2 laptops simultaneously thanks to the incredible Power IQ 3.0 technology implemented by Anker, meaning you have optimized charging speeds for virtually any mobile device, whether that be iPhones, Samsung and many other brands as well. In conclusion, the Anker Nano Charger is the perfect device for those of you who recently picked up or plan to get your hands on the brand new iPhone 12. As this is a mystery box, this set isn't for sale, but the individual items will all be linked down below, so make sure you check those out if you're interested. And a big thank you to Anker as well for supplying this awesome mystery box for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this one. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down in the comments section below. And if you're not already, please consider subscribing, as it really does help the channel progress. And again, thank you all for 15,000 subscribers.